Children, how are you all? I hope you are doing good. In previous class, what we have learned, Nani? We have learned up to 4-letter words, 4 words. Yes, no? And today we are going to learn from P to T-letter words. Okay, children? See, children, what is this letter? This is capital P and small p. So, P-letter words: P for pigeon, P for potato, P for pears, P for parrot, P for pen, P for peacock. So, P for pigeon, potato, pears, parrot, pen, peacock. Now see, what is this letter? Q. Capital Q, small q. So Q letter words: Q for quill, Q for quail, Q for Q, Q for quiet, Q for quilt, Q for queen. Let us see Q letter words again. Q, capital Q, small q. Q for quill, Q for quail, Q for Q, Q for white, Q for quilt, Q for queen. See, children, this is capital R, small r, capital R, small r. R for ring, R for ring, R for rocket, R for rhinoceros, R for rat, R for rose, R for rabbit. Shall we see again? Ring, R for ring, R for rocket, R for rhinoceros, R for rat, R for rose, R for rabbit. Now see, what is this? This is capital S, small s, capital S, small s. S for spoon, S for snail, this is snail. S for swan, swan. Duck is different and swan is different. This is swan. S for ship, S for sky, S for sky, S for sun. See, again we will see. S for spoon, S for snail, S for swan, S for ship, S for sky, S for sun. This is capital T, small t, capital T, small t. T for tub, T for tub, T for top, T for tiger, T for train, T for tortoise, T for tomato. See, again we'll see. T for tub, T for top, T for tiger. Tiger is our national animal. T for train, T for tortoise, T for tomato. Children, we will read spellings of 4 words. Okay, children? P for pen, P-E-N, pen. P-E-N, pen. P-A-R-R-O-T, parrot. P-A-R-R-O-T, parrot. P-O-T-A-T-O, potato. P-O-T-A-T-O, potato. P-E-A-C-O-C-K, peacock. P-E-A-C-O-C-K, peacock. These are P-letter words. Now Q-letter. Q-U-E-E-N, queen. Q-U-E-E-N, queen. Q-U-I-L-L. Quill. Q-U-I-L-L. Quill. Q-U-I-L-T. Quilt. Q-U-I-L-T. Quilt. Q-U-I-E-T. Quite. Q-U-I-E-T. Quite. Now R-letter words. R-A-T. Rat. R-A-T. Rat. R-O-S-E. Rose. R-O-S-E. Rose. R-O-C-K-E-T. Rocket. R-O-C-K-E-T. Rocket. R-A-B-B-I-T. Rabbit. R-A-B-B-I-T. Rabbit. Now S letter words. S-U-N. Sun. S-U-N. Sun. S-K-Y. Sky. S-K-Y. Sky. S-H-I-P. Ship. S-H-I-P. Ship. S-W-A-N. Swan. S-W-A-N. Swan. These are three letter words. T-U-B. Tub. T-U-B. Tub. T-O-P. Top. T-O-P. Top. T-R-A-I-N. Train. T-R-A-I-N. Train. T-I-G-E-R. Tiger. T-I-G-E-R. Tiger. So children, read this word. Read this word at your home and practice these words in your slate. Okay children, in next video we will write in slate work. Okay, thank you. Have a nice day.